Okay, students of class 4. So today let us do scene passage for our comprehension. Scene passage is there in the syllabus. So we have given chapter 4, caring for our planet in the syllabus, caring for our planet. And in that chapter, oceans in motion, this part will be our scene passage syllabus. Now we'll have to read it thoroughly well and then try to understand every meaning in that, and then some questions will follow whose answers you will be asked to write. So here, let us read it once. Oceans in motion. The oceans are never still. They are never quiet. Twice a day, the tides, the tide is the regular rise and fall in the level of the sea. The sea level rises and falls. That happens twice, 2 times a day. So, twice a day, the tides rise and fall. The wind pushes the water around, making currents. The energy created by tides and waves shapes our coastlines by wearing away the rocks and cliffs. The sea can give life and take life. Some of the most violent storms begin at sea. Hurricanes or cyclones are revolving storms that form over the ocean. They gather heat and energy from warm water, then spit towards the shore. In 2005, Hurricane Katrina hit the city of New Orleans, USA. Huge floods destroyed everything in their path. So this is our passage. Now, after having read the passage, so some question answers we will have to do. Now, read the given passage and answer the questions. We read the passage just now. So, how many times a day do the oceans rise and fall? So, you saw 2 times a day or twice a day. Next, how does the wind affect the ocean water? So, answer, the wind pushes the water around, which makes the ocean currents. The wind pushes the water around, which makes the ocean currents. How do the tides and waves shape our coastlines? The tides and waves shape our coastline by wearing away the rocks and cliffs. That was question number 3. How do the tides and waves shape our coastlines? The tides and waves shape our coastline by wearing away the rocks and cliffs. Then, what are hurricanes or cyclones? Hurricanes or cyclones are revolving storms that form over the ocean. Number 5. Where do hurricanes gather heat and energy from? Hurricanes gather heat and energy from warm water of the oceans. What do hurricanes or cyclones do as they reach the shore? They destroy everything in their path. Name the hurricane that hit New Orleans, USA in 2005. So answer, Hurricane Katrina. So this way you will be asked some questions after the passage in your scene passage. Thank you.